Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we are making this beautiful hairstyle. So till here you must have followed these steps, and further we are making the plait as shown in the video. After we are done with the plaits, we will make few sections of the hairs on the sides and tie them as shown in the video. You can try these hairstyles when going to a party and it will look very beautiful. And look, it's ready. Next, we will tie the plaits on the sides. Then again take a few sections of the hairs and make the plait. Take the hairs in equal sections from the sides, otherwise it won't look good. After we are done with the plaits, we will fix them together by tying all the hairs. Then we will roll the hairs upwards and fix it, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video and then fix them with each other by putting the rubber bands at the equal distance. After that, we will fix the hairs like these, tie it one by one and put the sections on the sides, tie it, and then we will fix the hairs by rotating it upward, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back, then we will tie it and then rotate it. After that, take few sections of the hairs on the sides and tie it using this thread. Fix the thread on the hairs by making the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix them together at the back and your hairstyle will be ready. Further, we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle. For that, we'll be tying the hairs like these. After that, we will fix the hairs by tying them together, divide them into two sections and then fix them on the next one as shown in the video. Follow this step till the end and then your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Okay, you can make these hairstyles in the school or at the party. It will look very beautiful. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. Next, we will be making the hairs like these and then we will fix them using the threads. Tie them and then fix them together. Fix the threads by making the plaits and fix all of them together like these. Then we will fold the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the plaits on the sides like this and then we will make further more plait by taking few sections of the hairs from the sides. Continue making the plaits as we are making. First, we have divided the hairs in two sections and then we will proceed with the same step on the other side as well. After we are done with this, we will fix the hairs by making the plaits. Fold it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video in the front and further move to the back. Now tie the hairs by making the plaits. Take the sections of the hairs from the sides. Then we will further make the plaits till the end. Follow the same step for the other side as well and it's ready. Thanks for watching.